Number 5, please.
Boys, off pitch.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry.
Does this sneaky thing work?
Does this furry thing work in the sky?
That's nonsense out.
Yeah,
It looks
they can hear us, but we can't hear them.
What?
They can hear us. but we
Chivas!
can't hear them. Chiv!
Wait, you look like right now.
Silly!
We're like 4 meters away from the pitch.
Selby! Can you hear me?
And they're like 4 meters away from the pitch and they're watching this video.
Actually, we're not doing it.
Are you in the end then?
I love sheep!
And it's off! And it's off! Oh, God! Oh, boys! I like cock.
Up a bridge!
Funny. And penis. Oh, Cameron Williams goal. Fill me, fill me, fill me.
Suck my willy!
Seven Evans on the volleyball team for you. Hello, viewers.
So it's Evan Evans in the country box. Who's you, Ev?
Evan
It's like this. Oh, thank you.
Evan Evans. Richard Evans.
There's gonna need to be another commentator because I'm gonna go get my burger.
Let's go! They just give you a microphone. Come on.
What?
Come on, just get a microphone.
The new bridge.
Who won the world? It's not. Oh. I thought it was.
It's Fuzzy. Who won the world?
It's the cat.
We won the world.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Wait, Sam. Sam, call you up for me. You've got for the fibre game. My cat stuck in the tree.
Big up Evan
That
Evans.
was you.
Ev.
Grab the cat to me in the tree.
Ev's probably watching my message.
Evan! Evan!
Big up Evan! Big up Ev! Big up Ev! I got a big penis. So he loves Carspeed. No! No! Basically got fit this is. Mason's missus is flat.
I won't tell you. I don't want to tell you.
I know.
Mom, I'm on telly!
Sky Smokes should hire me. I'm such a good presenter.
I wish the ball boys.
Get the camera. Lily loves Charlie Jones like awesome.
Cowbridge, a dog shit.
That's excellent football, boys.
That's excellent.
Ref is offside. Ref is offside.
Offside, ref.
What? Ref, his feet are following each other.
Lawrence Scrum Captain under the post for the first round of match.
We should six.
Over to you, Evan Evans. Over to Evan Evans in the corner. Big shout out to Evan.
Evan, if you're watching, this is a shout out to you.
I'm gonna go under the post. Evan Evans.
Oh, that's the end of the match.
Shout out to Evan Evans, big rugby fan.
Oh, you reckon we lost one, mate?
We should.
Oh, good. Good. He's like Evan Evans.
What's the score? What's the score, please?
And then the broadcast. He's away. He's like Evan Evans. And actually, Evan Evans is faster than him. Ellis Price, if you were watching this, my cat's stuck in the tree. If you could please come and get it for me. Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think she's actually Thank you for listening to the podcast.
So today's news at 5. My cat's stuck in the tree.
You get him with a new commentator. He could be a big
Pass it over to Lena.
He is fatter than Garfield. He'll be a while.
Passing it over to Lena. Come on, boys.
Come on, boys! Don't be proud!
Give me A.
Give me an
A.
Give me a P!
P.
Give me another P!
P.
Give me an L!
L.
Give me an E!
E.
Apple! He's winning. Oh, it's a blue one. Ellis, I know you watching.
Ellis Price, that's you?
I know you watching. Talk to me, El. Chivers, I know you watching.
Nah, sure.
No, I know the street.
4, please. That is our next Al-Qaidi will play next on pitch number 5. Roed and Boys, Kilo Sand Boys. Roed and Boys, Kilo Sand Boys, pitch number 5, please.
If you're watching this, I
I'm not saying you will.
Next up, Korea Kylie next playing on pitch number 8, 20 Kylie with China Boys. 20 Kylie with China Boys straight pitch number 8, please. Next playing on pitch number 9. Squad next to Kylie now. That's all organizing Joe Morgano. That's all Joe Morgano speaking Kylie now. Welcome back.
Do it. Do it.
Gofynnodd y byddai i chi helpu ni ganti sbwylio ar y ceiliau heddiw. Mae bagys i wedi cael ei dosbarthu, felly rwch eich sbwylio yn Feina a wedi dosbarthu bagiau yn y biniau mawr ar y llwybr rhwng y ceiliau. Mae'r fwy o bagiau ar gael yn y tabell canlyniadau. Please help us